Hey guys, it's Tone Fernandez with another episode of Social Lead Hub, teaching network marketers how to generate leads using social media. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you get notified every time we post new videos. Today guys, we're going to be talking about a lead magnet. In my course, which I have the access to the link below, for only $6.99, I go over creating a lead magnet, the power of using a lead magnet for your business in network marketing. Now, what are the benefits of a lead magnet and what are the best types of lead magnets to use? Well, you're going to find out in this episode of Social Lead Hub. So what is a lead magnet? Like in my course, I explain a lead magnet is something you give away for free in exchange for information that your prospect is giving you, whether it be a name, email, and phone number. When they give you that, then you can exchange that for your lead magnet. For lead magnets, some people choose a PDF, some people choose a video, but it's some information that you're exchanging in value for them wanting to learn more about it. So what are the best ideas for lead magnet? One of the things that I do is I look up the top rated questions that most people have in my industry. And what I do is I create a lead magnet in the form of a PDF in order to give them for that. And the reason being is you got to think about this. Your lead magnet has to be something that people are looking for already, like some piece of information that you're solving for them. And if you can put that in front of an audience where they say, yes, I really want to learn that, then what ends up happening is more people will be subscribing to your services. So here's an example. I'm going to give you an example outside of my industry of how I fell for a lead magnet. So one day I'm researching online, right? I'm thinking, how can I lose weight? Like, what are some things I can do? And I stumbled across an article that talked about testosterone, right? Men need more testosterone. And I said, wow, I didn't know about this. And they threw a hook and they said, hey, if you like our free PDF that goes into, you know, the big disparity of how men are being affected by less testosterone, what foods have this, you know, feel free to put your name and email. And what did I do? I put my name and email. I got the PDF, I read it, I liked it. And then here's where the fun happened for that company. I ended up on their email list. And from that point on, they were able to build a relationship with me, give me more information on things that I like, and ultimately I became a customer. So let's take a step back. Why can't you do that for your network marketing company? Why does harassing your friends and family only and, you know, going to the gas station and asking people for their number, why is that the only method? Is there anything wrong with that? Yes, there's something wrong with harassing your friends and family, but, you know, selling your friends and family, there's nothing wrong with that, and prospecting out and about, there's nothing wrong with that. But if those are your only means of getting clients, you're going to suffer. Turning strangers into clients is one of my favorite things to do in network marketing. You know, and when I look at some of my recruits that I've had nationwide, some of my clients, I'm like, man, how the heck did I meet this person? And it's some of the strategies that I teach in my course, which I have access to below. And one of those things in my course I go over is the lead magnet. It's putting information in front of people that they already want and getting their name, getting their email, and getting their phone number so they stay on your list. So what is the process? I'm going to briefly go over an outline of the process so you understand. So number one is actually, you know, having something of value that you can give away. It can be recording a training like this. You know, let's throw some ideas out there. Let's say that you're in travel. Well, looking up the top travel questions and putting it into a PDF, right? I saw one of my travel buddies had a lead magnet that said, you know, how to travel luxuriously on a shoestring budget. I can tell you right now that there were tons of people who consumed that lead magnet, right? Let's say that you're in credit repair. You could do something like, you know, the top secrets to build your credit in the next 30 days, right? Because people want to know those secrets. Let's say that you're in, you know, health and wellness. Hey, here's my, you know, my 10 tips to, you know, my nutrition guide. Here's my, you know, my keto recipe, something that you could give away for free. Once you have that irresistible free offer, people love free stuff and you promote it, right? You put it out there. You can use it as a call to action on your videos. You can put it in your bio on your, you know, your profile on Facebook and your different LinkedIn and all your other social media. You can run an ad to it, right? Run an ad and you have people who opt into that. The second is they get their what they opted in for. They get the PDF, they get the video. But where the magic happens is in step 3. And here's where automation is fun, and this is where you use automation correctly. Once you've set up your lead magnet to send automatically, you can also set up a follow-up campaign of emails where you continue to drip on people. It can be as long as you want. It can be 10 days, 15 days, 20, 30, 40, 50. But what happens is you start to drip on people with more information, with offers, with a sale, with maybe, hey, here's a free consultation. That's exactly what happened to me with that health and wellness company. I opted into their lead magnet about testosterone, started seeing emails. Over time, I said, man, these people provide so much value. And when they threw an offer at me, I bought. So you can do the same thing and it doesn't cost much. Let me tell you something. I created my lead magnet, got everything going. I have my automated email system for less than 20 bucks, guys. So I teach you all that in my course for only $6.99. It's a 10-day boot camp where you can go ahead and you can see, number 1, what are the different types of lead magnets you can create? Number 2, how to set it up, how to make it look nice, how to automate it, and how to create your email follow-up campaign. So in that course, a big chunk of the course, I talk about the lead magnet because it's one of my favorite ways to generate leads automated using social media. So I hope you found value in this business, and I hope you see how having a lead magnet for your business, incorporating that in your business and your network marketing business can work wonders and can be an additional source for leads to get signups, to get recruits, and to get clients for your network marketing business. So appreciate you guys. Don't forget to click the link below and don't forget to subscribe. As always, your success is important to me. Peace.